I am Dr. P. Jayalakshmi, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Sri GVG Visalakshi College for Udumalpet. In this lecture, I am supposed to discuss about the existence of random walk concept on fuzzy graph from random walk on crisp graph. In this lecture, a new concept of random walk on fuzzy graph is introduced and the random walk theory on fuzzy graph is generalized. Also, simple random walks with each step taken independently and randomly are anticipated for fuzzy graphs. The properties of fuzzy graph are discussed and the transition probability matrix is found by estimation method. As we know earlier, a fuzzy set is any set that allows its members to have different grades of membership in the interval 0, 1. Based on the fuzzy set, we have defined a fuzzy graph which is a pair of function g of sigma comma mu where sigma is from vertex set v to closed interval 0 1 and it's a fuzzy subset of a non-empty set v and mu is from v cross v to 0 1 is a symmetric fuzzy relation on sigma such that for all x y in v the condition mu of u v less than or equal to sigma of u minimum sigma of v is satisfied for all u v in E. Let G equal to sigma comma mu be a fuzzy graph. The degree of a vertex is nothing but the sum of its membership function. Now, let us come to the concept of random walk on fuzzy graph. As defined earlier for the random walk on crisp graph, my definition began by defining in the same way as the transition probability matrix equals 1 by the degree of its vertex if I and j is in the neighborhood and it's equal to 0 otherwise. Let us consider the following fuzzy graph. These are the degree of the vertex, each vertex of the above fuzzy graph. Based on this and based on the above definition and based on the degree of the above fuzzy graph, we have framed the matrix. When seeing this matrix, it does not give the transition probability matrix because the total sum of any row or any column does not equals 1. Hence, the random walk on fuzzy graph is not same as random walk on crisp graph. So, what we have to do to obtain the transition probability matrix for the random walk on fuzzy graph? The transition matrix is obtained by dividing each element by the respective row total. The simple random walk is given as follows. Now, let us consider the same fuzzy graph with membership value 1. And when considering its degree, all the degree of the vertex is equal to 4 and the corresponding matrix on random walk is given as follows. This matrix gives the transition probability matrix. Okay, then what are the results based on the above discussion? A fuzzy graph with different membership does not give the transition matrix. The fuzzy graph with same membership value 1 directly gives the transition matrix. Hence, a random walk can be defined directly for regular fuzzy graph with membership value 1. For the above fuzzy graph, whatever the distinct membership values be, the corresponding transition entries is 0.25 and the result is true for its complement also. The element 0 in the matrix indicates that the transition is not possible. The matrix is doubly stochastic and symmetric. The transition matrix are same for both fuzzy graphs. Now we have calculated the 14-step transition probability matrix under ordinary multiplication. Based on this, the following are the results obtained. The above matrix is also a stochastic matrix. It appears that the limiting probability that the system will be in the state J after a large number of transitions and the probability is independent of the initial state. The equilibrium vector or fixed vector of Markov chain of the above graph is 0.1667. A transition state does not tend to 0 after a large number of transitions. Hence, the states are recurrent. None of the state is absorption. The Markov chain is regular since all the entries are of positive. The largest eigenvalue of regular Markov chain on the fuzzy graph is also 0. Okay, we have considered the diagonal degree matrix of fuzzy graph. As previously defined, here also we define the diagonal degree of the fuzzy graph as the degree of its vertex for I equal to j and it's equal to 0 otherwise. This gives the diagonal degree of the fuzzy graph. But the diagonal degree of fuzzy graph 2 with membership value 1 is given as follows. These are the observations. The matrices in the diagonal degree matrices of both the fuzzy graphs commutes with each other under usual multiplication. But the multiplication of diagonal degree matrices with different membership values in a fuzzy graph and the transition probability matrix does not commute with each other and the leading diagonal is 0. In the resulting matrix, the sum of the elements of the corresponding row and column gives the degree of the corresponding vertex. Therefore, now we move on to the adjacency matrices. That is, somewhat the adjacency and random walk theory concepts are related. So we have defined an adjacency matrix as usual. That is, adjacency matrix is equal to 1 if an I and j are in the neighborhood and it's equal to 0 otherwise. Now the adjacency matrix of the above fuzzy graph with membership value 1 is given as follows. Based on these adjacency matrix and the diagonal degree matrix, these are the observations made. The matrices, diagonal degree matrices of fuzzy graph 2 with membership value 1 and the transition matrix commutes with each other under multiplication and the resulting matrix will be an adjacency matrix. Under usual multiplication, the adjacency matrix together with the transition matrix is symmetric with ones in the leading diagonal. Now, we move on to the anti-adjacency concept. Here it's an anti-adjacency matrix for the fuzzy graph with membership value 1. So, under usual multiplication, the anti-adjacency matrix together with its transition matrix is symmetric with zeros in the leading diagonal. Now, these are the conclusion. Here, this lecture, we have focused on the definition of random walk on fuzzy graph. But we have started from the random walk on crisp graph and we have moved forward to the random walk on fuzzy graph with the different types of matrices. So there must be some special definition for random walk on fuzzy graph. Okay, what are the observations we have made here? It is observed that regardless of the original state of a Markov chain, the chain will not enter into an absorbing state in a finite number of steps. The long-term trend depends on the initial state. Some type of matrices and their commutation with the transition matrix under usual multiplication is given. The extensive discussion of random walk on some kinds of fuzzy graph like isomorphic fuzzy graph, complementary fuzzy graph, regular, irregular, complete, totally regular, neighborly, totally irregular, highly irregular fuzzy graphs gave the same results. So, as I have discussed in my previous video, these are the reasons for the existence of the definition of random walk on fuzzy graph. Thank you.